So sometimes you have a moment when you need to remove these kind of clamps. There basically is no bolt, no nut, nothing normally, like you have, like for example this on the side, like this one, small one, yeah. So this one you use a screwdriver, screw it out, and that's it, simple as that. But if you have clamps like these, they are probably sometimes and oftenly is very struggle to remove these ones. So we have this nice tool is made for these clamps. So how it works, basically what you do is just put one side in a round clamp place and another, like you see there is like a little line threaded in, so that one goes in here, that one goes on that side, and just pull it together. So let's try just like that, and as you can see, here is a clicking. That's it, as you can see. Look, it's no problem, it holds himself. As you can see, there is a very big tension on the, it's like a big spring, very strong. And normally you will never be able to do this with the pliers. Probably you tried a lot of times to do that with the pliers, but it's no chance. You will break your fingers or I don't know, smash your eyes when it's gonna fly out. So now it's in a very strong tension, and it holds with this nice of clipping thing. So this thing is holds in place. So to release it, just press the pliers, get the release button and let it go. Just okay, here we go, a small one. So with the small ones is a lot easy. Probably you can try to use your pliers, but normally it's like you see, it's oh shit, it's no chance. No chance to get these pliers on these things on. So you cannot do with the hand, you cannot push with your fingers, so no chance. And the best way is just to use these best tool of a clamping thing, pliers. So this is very nice, so make it steady. Go this side on a round bit, another one is a line bit, so make it connected and press together. As you can see, the sound is a clicking, so it's fixing in place. That's it, done. It holds himself in a place, you don't need to do any tension on it. That's good stuff. And just get it on a pipe, on any pipe, like these ones, and all the way around in the vehicle normally. Okay, thanks for watching.